Hey teachers, here's something handy. If you are wanting to find your name in a document, so let's say for example someone has sent you a list of invigilation schedules and times and shifts that you are invigilating, and you might miss your name in one of them, and it happens, okay? I'm going to show you how to quickly find your name and have it highlighted automatically for you just using the search and replace feature in Microsoft Word. This will work in other Office applications as well, PowerPoint, Publisher, Excel, etc. So have a look. All you do is press Control H. Okay, that's your find and replace. And what are we looking for? So I'm going to search for my surname because I can see that they've used just the surnames. What am I going to replace it with? Well, I'm not going to replace it with any words. I'm going to replace it with something else. So I click on the More, and I'm going to go to Format, and I'm going to format the font. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make it maybe a little bit bigger, and I'm going to change the font to red and bold. I think that's good. Yeah, okay, cool. And I will also highlight it. Why not? So now I'm just going to say replace all. Replace all. 7 replacements. Oh man, that's a lot of work. Okay, here we go. So there we go. I can see it standing out there. There's one. There's another one. There's another one. So there you go. Control H. What are we searching for? Search for your surname. What are we replacing it with? And then choose More. And we're going to then choose Format, Font, and then you can also highlight as well. Give that a try, and it just makes finding your name so much easier in lots of documents.